So as an art director, I help the ad agencies come up with ideas on ways that they're going to advertise either a product or a service. So what happens is we come into teams, into groups like this, and the agency team sits down and we brainstorm. We just talk back and forth like, oh yeah, this product's pretty cool, you know, it does this, and what can we do with it? How can we make it, you know, important to somebody enough that they want to take money out of the pocket to buy it, right? So the team works together to come up with all these different ideas. That's not so far off base what we're doing right now. We're looking at what we can do for these organizations, and we're brainstorming ideas about what it is that we could possibly do. So now that we know the rehab center has people that need help getting better, and help getting better with walking, or maybe their shoulders hurt, so they need to build up their arm strength. So what could we do? Like if you had a family member in the hospital, what do you do when you go to visit?
You like probably
make them laugh.
make them like feel better.
Right.
Make them laugh.
So let me ask you this: we could do. I mean, one thing is doing a martial arts performance, but what if you guys put together a comedy skit?
That'd be awesome. Like Carter will be the rabbit, I'll be the bunny.
What if we could engage advanced literacy by writing a skit? We could do a comedy skit,
bunny's a small
and then we could rehearse,
baby.
and then we could go in and do the performance for them to do the comedy skit to get them to laugh, to cheer them up. Or you could create. What else is something that you bring into the hospital to cheer people up?
Like
A game.
Bring flowers or
games,
a card.
like checkers. You be like
Checkers, games. You could do games.
I beat you again.
Like chess.
So we could bring games from home.